Hi, I'm recording this video to demonstrate the Flask app that I've created on an EC2 instance, and then I've deployed it on AWS. So let me take you to the AWS. So this is the EC2 instance that I've worked on. I'll connect to that right now. So let me go to, I've installed Apache, Python, and Docker on this host already. HTML, CD, FlaskApp. So these are all the files that I have. The app is residing on this file. This is a skeleton app, and here this is running on 5002 port. Quit. And once I made sure that this app is working, I'll just show you that this app is working by taking you to this website. Control C, Control V. Looks like this is not started yet. So sudo service Apache to restart. Okay, let us see. So I've restarted the Apache service, and the app is working. So you can see that the home link is this, the sign up link is this, where you can give a test user like kk9 at kk.com, kk sign up. So it has signed up. Now I have logged in. Let me sign back in. I'll try to give the kk9. I'll give incorrect credentials just to show that it's actually talking to the database. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it says wrong email address or password. So now I'll give the correct address, kk9 at kk.com, and then the password is kk. Sign in. As you can see, it's allowing me to sign in. Sorry. And going back to this. So once the app is completed, what I did was I downloaded the Docker, and then I also created an ECS container in AWS. So the ECS container is here. So basically you go here and then you do ECS. It will show. So my requirement was that I need to set up a MySQL database, and it should only be allowed within the same VPC. So for that, I have created a single VPC. This is something else that I was testing earlier. I can just go ahead and drop it. It's okay. I'll take a look into it later. But this is the This is the VPC that I created. VPC C51B. Now, in here, the first thing I did was I added the Docker file, the Docker image that I created in the system, and then I uploaded it into the repository. So how I did that was I created a Docker file. So you can see that this is my Docker file, and also before that I installed AWS as well. So AWS configure will actually allow you to configure your account. That's like a login, and it will give you some keys, and using that keys you should be able to log in. So once all these are like prerequisites or setup, so that you can actually have this working. So to confirm what I've done, so these are the tasks that I was working on. So this is the Docker file. So I built the app, FlaskApp, and I Dockerized it. And also what I did was I created a RDS, MySQL RDS database, and then I actually kept it in the same VPC, and I allowed access only to the services that are running in the same VPC. So it's not available to any external system. This is a security measure. And once that is done, let me go back to ECS. So this is the app that I've uploaded using AWS, ECR, push, and all those commands. You can see all those commands here. First you log in, you get the login, you log in, and then you build it, you tag it, and then I have already done all these things before. So all I did was Docker tag and then Docker push. So that actually pushed the code, the Docker container, to this repository. And I went ahead and I created a cluster here. The cluster is nothing but I have not enabled any load balancer in this case, because this is just for a demonstration purpose. Load balancer, basically what it does is if one service goes down, it automatically brings up, it basically makes sure that the service is constantly running. You can stop it manually, but until you do that, it makes sure that it's running. So here you should be able to see it's an EC2 instance that's created because of the service that I've added to the cluster. So the task that I've created, the only thing that I did here was I went ahead and I created a task here. And part of this task, I've assigned one micro instance, and that's why I'm able to see this instance here. And you can see that the status is running. So if I go back to my EC2 instance, so this is the one that it created. So let me copy this and see if the database is working. So this is the EC2 instance which got created as I was running the Docker container within ECS. So this is the home page, the sign up button. Let me sign up with KK10 at kk.com, KK, and sign up. As you can see, it says user home, don't save, log out, and sign in. KK10 at kk.com, KK. As you can see, I'm able to log in and log out, and this is the first EC2 instance that I was working on. If you can notice here, the IP address is different. It's 70.148, and here it's 77 and 111. This is the demonstration of the skeleton app that I've created on Flask, Dockerized the application, and created a MySQL service in the AWS, and provided access to all the services running within the VPC, and the app is actually working, as you can see. That's all for now. Thank you very much.